In today's video, we're gonna be working on the Chevy Venture side glass here. I'm going to show you how to replace that glass with a new piece of glass. It's very, very easy, so watch the video. Don't just tape on a piece of cardboard or something. I got a glass from the junkyard for $56, and I'll show you how to put it on. Only takes a few minutes. Very easy. Are your wipers constantly stuck like this when you turn them off? Well, if they are, make sure you subscribe and you'll get a link to my other videos, and I'll show you how to fix it. So here is the glass from the junkyard. Basically, you got one screw there, and two screws right here. I'll show you inside the van what you have to do to get to those. So basically 4 screws to change the windows, super easy. Okay, so on the inside of the door, you're gonna have to take off this piece of trim here that goes around to get to these 2 screws, and then it all is a one piece, and then it comes down here and it just pops off. Very easy. And then you can get to the other 2 screws right under here of the front of that glass. So we're gonna do that right now. Okay, you're gonna need a flat screwdriver. Just all pops off. Ow. Careful for broken glass. So I would like to take this opportunity to thank my brother for getting the window broken in the first place. Might want to open the door a little bit. Nothing to it. In case you're wondering, that's what the piece looks like. You got a couple metal clips there, and then just pop out clips like that. Nothing to it. Okay, so at the back of the door, if you look closely, right here is 2 bolts. You take those out, and then right at the front of the door, so you can see the door here, right in there in these holes, see? You also got one there and another one right there. You just got to take those out. Those are all 10 millimeters, so you'll just need one of these guys here. Be careful not to drop it into the hole, which I just did, so I'm gonna have to replace it with another one from some junk screws that I have, or bolts I mean. I'm gonna have to replace it from some junk nuts that I have. Okay, so now that that's unbolted, this broken piece of glass here will just come right out. Should probably use gloves. Yeah. So now that just pops right out, see? You don't want that to fall because it'll make a mess. Okay, so we got that out. See, you got those 2 bolts. So that's where your new bolts will go. The ones on the glass that I showed you earlier. Okay, now back here, you just want to unscrew those 2 screws. Nothing to it. Okay, now we're gonna put this on. Very easy. Just gotta put it in here like so. Now you put the 2 front nuts on and the 2 back bolts back on. Then we just put these on. Nothing to it. And then you put these in. Okay, and then we just throw this back on. Just clips right in. Okay, and there we go. That is how you replace one of these side windows. The process for the back ones is basically the same, only you got to take this thing off and that back piece. Thank you, hope that helped.